Hello, welcome to the Adsense Espionage video overview. I'm going to take you through how this tool works, show you the kind of data that it returns, and how you can use that information in your niche marketing and AdSense marketing efforts. So let's dive right in and take this tool for a spin. What this tool allows you to do is to take the domain name or the AdSense publisher ID of any site, paste it in, do a search, and you'll get back a list of other sites owned by that same person, by that same AdSense publisher. So let's take a site here. We'll use thickyogamattes.org, and we're going to do a search, and it'll query our database. We have a database of approximately 2.5, 2.6 million AdSense sites, and it will return a list of all the sites that use the same publisher ID and thus are very likely to be owned by the same person. And so what's cool about this is it lets you see other niche markets that people are using or entering using AdSense. And what you can also do is if you click on the domain and do a query here, it will list the keywords that site ranks for in the top 20 of Google. And we get this information from semrush.com, one of our data partners. And so you can click on that for any of the sites. Now some sites might not have keywords that they rank for. If it's not in it's SEMrush's database, then it won't return any results. But here's another one that has a number of keywords that it ranks well for. Now that's all cool and all. I think it's incredibly powerful in and of itself because if someone has one successful site, then they might have many. And so based on that logic, based on that thinking, here's another scenario in how you can use this tool in your niche marketing and AdSense marketing efforts. Say you come across, you're doing some keyword research or doing some market research, and you come across a site ranked in the top 10 of Google for some keyword, and that site has AdSense on it. Now, what you can do is you can take that site, take that domain name, just the domain name, drop the www off, just paste it in the domain, and see what other sites that person owns, if any. And the reason for this is if they're able to get one site ranked in the top 10 of Google for some keyword, what's to say they haven't done that for a few sites or a dozen sites or who knows, even hundreds of sites. So you want to follow success. You want to follow what people have done before you and done successfully. Following this approach, following this concept greatly reduces the amount of time it takes to find a successful market, greatly reduces the difficulty in entering a market if you see someone else has already successfully done it using the same kind of site or the same kind of content or the same kind of method that you want to use as well. So you put in the successful site, get back a list of other sites that they own, and then click them and see what keywords they rank for. And there you go. You have markets that have proven to do well for AdSense and that they rank high in the top 10 of Google. And you can just reverse engineer their site using some of the other tools that we have available to you. So I hope that clears things up and explains how useful and very powerful AdSense Espionage script really is.